Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we saw a good drop on gold after FOMC. You can see gold hits 4-week low. Gold rebounds from 4-week low. After FOMC, gold made a low of 326870 and gold recovered as well. Now gold is trading around 329596 area. And if you want to know what happened, okay, in FOMC, then you need to know about the dollar. Dollar holds near 2-month high on Fed caution. US dollar index, okay, it's trading around 100 right now. Okay, dollar has also recovered sharply. Okay, why it was? Because Federal Chairman Jerome Powell reiterated that it was too early to consider rate cuts and offer little clarity on the timing of any potential easing. So whenever there is a rate cut, we usually see dollar going down. Yesterday we discussed. Okay, and as there was no such discussion on rate cuts, okay, dollar started going up, because of which we saw the pressure on the chart of gold, and this was the result. And if we look at the economic calendar today, also we have a news coming up, which is PCE data. PCE data is a little bit confusing, okay, because sometimes you will see good moves, okay, after PC data, and sometimes you will not see any move at all. It means, okay, इस पार उस पार वाला situation रहता है. Either the market will move sharply or you will not move, see any move at all. And you also need to keep in mind, today is the last day of the month, and usually last day of the month, okay, give us surprises sometimes. So during the US session, not because of the PC data, but also because of being the last day of the month, we may see some crazy amount of volatility. So please be careful. And before I proceed, let me make it clear that, okay, today on the chart of gold, while recording the video, we do not have many levels. Okay, so the discussion is going to be a little bit short. Usually my videos are long, I know, okay. I try to explain a lot, but today we don't have much explanation, because right after this crazy amount of drop, okay, we can see gold is trying to recover. As a result, okay, we do not have much to discuss. So right now we can see that gold is trading around 3295. Okay, 3295. Remember, the last support was around 3300, so you can expect the same level, to work as the new resistance, because the previous support will be the new resistance. So during the day or after a few hours, if you see market is showing price rejection from above, you can look for a sell position around this area. But is this a very good level to trade? Okay, to be honest, I'm also not sure right now, because we do not have much clarity. Because for clarity, we need the market to settle after a big move. Because if we look at a chart like this, then we have a clear downtrend. But if we look at the higher time frame, like the daily chart, okay, we can clearly see that overall the chart is bullish, and right now the market is sideways, and market has taken support. We have discussed earlier, remember? Okay, market has taken support, and on the daily chart, it seems the market is about to go up from here. So the daily chart is speaking a different story, and the lower time frame, like the hourly 15 minutes, is also a different story. So we need to be careful. So I think that if you have grabbed gold, if you have taken a buy around 3270, 3275 area, okay, if you have taken buy around this particular area, then you can hold your buy position, because I feel that swing traders, okay, swing traders can hold the buy position. There is a potential of further upside, because market has been, okay, sideways trading in a range for a long time. So swing traders, if you have taken a buy around 327080 area, hold your buy position with stop losses. If market breaks 3250, then things may be under danger. But as of now, okay, swing traders, you can hold your buy. And if you're a day trader, means if you exit within the same day, then obviously your perception will be different, your strategy will be completely different, isn't it? So here, during the day, okay, if market goes up, okay, you can look for a sell around this area, or if market tries to recover, then also you can look for a sell around this big box here. Okay, yes, it's a big box because 3308, it's 3323. So this is a huge zone here. Obviously, a zone of 150 pips, okay, is not a joke personally, okay. Okay, I will not prefer to take a trade around this area, but obviously you cannot skip it as well. So what we can do is during the day when market will enter in this zone, 330823 zone, okay, you can simply switch to a lower time frame like the 15 minutes, okay, and observe the market behavior. If you see the market is showing price ejection from above, for example, if you see market is facing resistance around 3314, or if you see market is facing resistance around 3323, you can look for a sell. So instead of looking for positions, opportunities to sell on higher time frame, it's better to look for selling opportunity on the lower time frame like 50 minutes for clarity, because on higher time frame it's a huge zone, not practical enough, not realistic enough. Okay, so swing traders, if you have a buy, hold your buy position because daily chart is showing that there is a good opportunity of upside. And if you're a day trader, then obviously your strategy will be completely different. So as a day trader, okay, we can still see that sellers have an edge here. So we can look for a sell around this area. Okay, and if market fails to go up, okay, if market fails to go up, we can look for a sell below 3267 around this area, or when market will break the blue line here, we can look for a sell below this as well. Where is the next support? The next support on the chart of gold is around 3250, 3245. Okay, this blue box at the bottom, you can see this is the next support zone on the chart of gold. So if market breaks the blue line here, we can consider it as a breakdown. Before the US session, volume is less, chances are also less. After US session, or during the US session, not after, okay, during the US session, if market drops because of the PCE data, okay, then we can look for a sell below it. But be careful, last day of the month, market may go crazy. So this is the condition of the market right now, and these are the only opportunities in front of us, because after the big move, okay, the market, okay, is not consolidated yet. So things are a little bit unstable for us. Not unstable, okay, not clear enough for us. For example, during the day, if you see the market has consolidated like this, okay, let me give an example. Let me take you to 15-minute chart. Okay, during the day, if we see the market is consolidating like this, then obviously after consolidation, if market breaks this high, as a day trader you can look for a buy as well, the buy above the level as well. So many opportunities will come, but we need the market to settle. If you're a day trader or if you're a scalper, you can also draw a Fibonacci like this on the 15 minutes time frame. So when market will come down, you can look for a buy around 3286. You can look for a buy around 3283 for 20-30 pips. Okay, so lots of opportunities are there, but we need the market to settle a bit. And you can draw Fibo like this. Okay, just switch to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, draw Fibo from the bottom to the highest point. Or if market makes a flag pattern like this, okay, you can also look for a buy breakout. But obviously, okay, these are not very solid levels, okay, because they are from the lower time frame. So let's wait and watch. And okay, you need to be on red alert after the US session, not after, from the US session onwards. Okay, so that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.